Hi, I'm Doug Keck. This is an EWTN Bookmark Brief. Just had the pleasure of speaking with Dr. Robert Enright. His book, Forgiveness as Unity with Christ, A Journey for Healing Resentment and Relationships. And again, it's published by EWTN Publishing, naturally available through our EWTN Religious Catalog. Tell us, Dr. Robert Enright, a book about forgiveness. Why?
Because many of us, probably all of us, have a broken heart at one time or another from injustice from others, and we need to find a way to heal from that and maybe heal our relationships. And I have found forgiveness sometimes, many times, is the only path to that kind of healing when there's deep injustice and the heart is crushed.
Right. Do you think society has lost the concept of forgiveness?
Indeed, I don't know if it's ever picked it up. Mm-hmm. We all use the word forgiveness, but we don't really understand what it is as a moral virtue of goodness toward those who are not good to us, with the Catholic view of redemptive suffering with Jesus Christ. Because we've suffered from the injustice, we unite that suffering with Jesus Christ for the one who hurts us, where we could pray for that person's salvation. And by doing that, the paradox is we are healed from that effect of the injustice that literally could be with us for the rest of our lives.
Right. Do you think part of the issue in the secular society is because of in the power relationships we tend to work with today? Nobody believes putting themselves on the lower end or the vulnerability scale is a good idea.
Yes, and because people do erroneously think that when you forgive, you do take a step down. You say, okay, it's okay to go ahead and beat me. No. Forgiveness brings us both on the same playing field of both having worth, because we're both made in the image and likeness of God. It says so in Genesis 1, and we meet the other there. Still, we can ask for justice when we forgive, so that we're not continuing to be stepped on by the other person.
Right. So the person asking for forgiveness, their benefits aren't dependent on the other person forgiving them.
Still not, because let's say I'm the one who did wrong, and I say, Doug, please forgive me, and you say, forget it. No. I have now done the best I can. Right. I can go in peace. Right. It's the same thing. If you forgive me, and I say, forget it, I did nothing wrong, you can go in peace as a forgiver because you've done the best you can. Optimally, when you have a forgiver and someone seeking forgiveness, and we both can say yes to that, then there can be a beautiful reconciliation.
Okay, and a beautiful book, Dr. Robert Enright, Forgiveness as Unity with Christ, A Journey for Healing Resentment and Relationships. Boy, do we need it today. Published by EWTN, nationally available through our catalog, EWTNRC.com, for all things Catholic. Look for the entire interview on our on-demand platform and on our YouTube channel, coming soon to the network. I'm Doug Keck. This has been a Bookmark Brief. Thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you again.